Hi, this is Tuan again. This question is a response to Ashley. Ashley wants to know how to lay out her proposal and if there's any software I could recommend. Well, first, how to lay out your proposal is outlined in Section L of the RFP. Section L outlines how the proposal should be laid out, the page limit, the font size, the margin size, everything you possibly want to know about how to, oh my God, his car is so loud. How to lay out your proposal. I hate loud cars. How to lay out your proposal and what should go in it, what should be excluded, page limit, organizational chart, key personnel. Everything is laid out in Section L, and you want to follow it specifically. The second thing is what software to use. There are different kind of softwares you can use for proposal prep, and what I will do is prepare a video. Y'all can hear that, right? I will prepare a video on different kind of software you can use for a proposal. Some of them are expensive, some of them aren't. We use PandaDoc, but you got to make sure you have it really set up correctly. PandaDoc is great for pulling all the content in at once. You can assign it to people. We pay less than $1,000 a year, which is incredible. But there are other softwares that allow you to do a lot more. And not too much more, but it's a lot more expensive, like $3,000 a month. So you can do all this stuff through inexpensively. It doesn't have to be super expensive, but definitely look at your Section L. It outlines everything, and you want to follow it and put together a checklist for what they're asking and include that in your cover letter so they know that you have everything in there. Because sometimes you will get some people who don't really want to read, and they'll say, oh, well, you left that out. And you can, after your debrief, you're like, no, I didn't leave that out. That was included in the proposal. So make sure that you go through literally with a fine-tooth comb and identify everything that they need, put it in a proposal, put a checklist together, and put it in your cover letter. All right, I hope this helps.